Welcome to Knowledge in a Nutshell. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how you can reset your password and unlock your account using Xiting Central Workflows, also known as XCW. With XCW, you can easily reset your password and unlock your account in just a few simple steps. No need to contact your administrator. It's quick, convenient, and fully self-service. So, let's get started. First, open the XCW Password Self-Service via your company-provided link or launchpad. You will now be greeted with a logon page to authenticate you as an authorized user. Please enter your user ID, which is your SAP Logon username, and your company email address. You can now click on Send Token. A one-time token will now be sent directly to your email address, which can be used to authenticate you. Please enter the token in the given field and click Submit. The window you are now greeted with gives you an overview of some information regarding your user and some more technical information. In the table below, you can see a list of all the systems your user has an active account in. Further, you get some information about your user and password status. Please select the system or systems you want to reset your password in. For this, you can click on the little arrow next to the system you have chosen in the column Reset Password. You get the option to either let a password be generated for you or to self-define a password. Please note that this is only an initial password which you will be required to reset when logging into your SAP system the first time again. I will choose that the system generates a password for me here, and then I will click on Reset Password. Your password reset was successful, and the newly generated initial password has been sent to your email address. Additionally, the account will be unlocked if it might be locked due to too many wrong logon attempts. It's that simple. Your user has been unlocked right at this moment and is ready for productive use again. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more about Xiting Central Workflows? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.